3, 2, 1,
L40 stages are ignited.
এশতম ৰকেট উৎক্ষেপণ সফলতাৰে সম্পন্ন কৰিলে ভাৰতীয় মহাকাশ গৱেষণা সংস্থা চমুকৈ ইছৰোয়ে।
-15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
L40
0.
stages are ignited. Liftoff normal.
Magnificent liftoff of GSLV F-15 Nvs 02 mission. 100th launch mission of ISRO embarks on its journey.
ভাৰতীয় সময় অনুসৰি বুধবাৰে পুৱা 6:23 অন্ধ্ৰপ্ৰদেশৰ শ্ৰীহৰিকোটাৰ সতীশ ধাৱন মহাকাশ কেন্দ্ৰৰ পৰা উৎক্ষেপণ কৰা হয় GSLV F-15 ৰকেটৰ জৰিয়তে NVS 02 নেভিগেশ্যন ছেটেলাইটক। NVS 02 ছেটেলাইট নেভইচি অৰ্থাৎ নেভিগেশ্যন উইথ ইণ্ডিয়ান কনষ্টেলেশ্যনৰ এক অংশ। উল্লেখ্য যে নেভিগেশ্যন উইথ ইণ্ডিয়ান কনষ্টেলেশ্যন হৈছে ভাৰতৰ স্বতন্ত্ৰ আঞ্চলিক নেভিগেশ্যন উপগ্ৰহ পদ্ধতি যি ভাৰতৰ লগতে প্ৰায় 1500 কিলোমিটাৰ দূৰত্ব পৰ্যন্ত অঞ্চলটোৰ সঠিক স্থিতি, গতিবেগ আৰু সময়ৰ তথ্য নিৰূপণ কৰিব পাৰে।
Congratulations to the GSLV team, project team, and also to all the launch vehicle community for making this launch perfect one. Congratulations to the project team of NVS 02 and all the satellite stakeholders who have made this spacecraft realized in time for this launch. I can now declare that the spacecraft has been injected very precisely with very small rates, rock steady injection, and the two solar arrays have been deployed and power generation has been confirmed, and the rest of the activities will be continued from the control center at URSC and MCF Hassan.
NVS 02ৱে সামুদ্ৰিক যাতায়াত আৰু উৰাজাহাজ চলাচলৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত প্ৰদান কৰিব তথ্য। দেশৰ প্ৰতিৰক্ষা ব্যৱস্থাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত ভাৰতীয় সেনাৰ অভিযানসমূহৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত সঠিক অৱস্থানৰ নিৰ্ণায়ক ৰূপে কাম কৰিব NVS 02ৱে। জৰুৰীকালীন সেৱাৰ লগতে উপগ্ৰহৰ বাবে কক্ষপথৰ অৱস্থিতি নিৰূপণৰ ক্ষেত্ৰতো বিশেষভাৱে সহায় কৰিব NVS 02ৱে। 2250 কিলোগ্ৰাম ওজনৰ নেভিগেশ্যন ছেটেলাইটটোত সংযুক্ত কৰা হৈছে L1, L5 আৰু S নামৰ তিনিটা নেভিগেশ্যন পেলোড। ইয়াৰ লগতে সঠিক সময় নিৰূপণ কৰিব পৰাকৈ NVS 02ত সংলগ্ন কৰা হৈছে ৰুবিডিয়াম এটমিক ফ্ৰিকুৱেঞ্চি ষ্টেণ্ডাৰ্ড RAFS নামৰ এক পাৰমাণৱিক ঘড়ী।
That gives a lot of confidence for us to proceed with many more launches of GSLV, which is planned already. And as you all know that the majority of the engines and the tanks and many structures are coming from industry. And let me thank in this occasion all the industry partners who have contributed immensely from the material resource as well as the integration, hardware delivery, engine delivery, and supporting during various activities of the preparation of the stage. And also I specifically thank the entire LPAC community for this excellent launch. And also the work doesn't stop here for the LPAC community because the satellite propulsion system also is the responsibility of LPAC. And tonight onwards we are starting the activities of the orbit racing from the LAM engine, and our team is ready for these activities next 3 days finally to reach make the NVS 01 in the right orbit. So thank you very much and best wishes to all of you. Jai Hind.
উল্লেখ্য যে ইয়াৰ পূৰ্বে 2023 বৰ্ষৰ 29 মে তাৰিখে GSLV F-12ৰ জৰিয়তে উৎক্ষেপণ কৰা হৈছিল NVS 01ক। GSLV F-15 NVS 02ৰ সফল উৎক্ষেপণে পুনৰ এবাৰ গৌৰৱান্বিত কৰিলে ভাৰতক।
तृतीय चरण को अब
Satellite injection conditions are achieved.
बंद कर दिया गया है तथा प्रमोशन की स्थितियां प्राप्त हो चुकी हैं
NVS 02 satellite separated.
और हर्ष का पल यहाँ पर सफलतापूर्वक NVS 2 उपग्रह को अंतरिक्ष
NVS
में
02 mission accomplished.
उद्दिष्ट कक्षा में अंतक्षेपित कर दिया गया
This
है।
is range operation director. With this mission accomplishment, the Spaceport of India, SDG Sharp, Sriharikota, ISRO Department of Space, had completed 100 launches from here. That is from SLV E1 10th August 1979 to GSLV F.
-15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
L40
0.
stages are ignited. Lift off normal.
Magnificent liftoff of GSLV F-15 Nvs 02 mission. 100th launch mission of ISRO embarks on its journey.
উৎক্ষেপণৰ পিছত ইছৰোৰ অধ্যক্ষ ভি নাৰায়ণনে এইদৰে তেখেতৰ মন্তব্য আগবঢ়ায়।
Mission accomplishment is a teamwork. With us right now, 4 former chairmen, Dr. Radhakrishnan sir, Kiran Kumar sir, Dr. Sivan, Dr. Somnath, who was leading this program from the front. So let us give a big hand to all the 4 of them. Dear friends, reward for hard work is more work. And ISRO has got very busy year ahead with many missions lined up in the coming months. The NISR, NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar mission by GSLV F-16, a commercial flight of LVM-3 by NCL for a foreign customer, a technology demonstration satellite TDS-01 mission to validate almost 34 technologies which will be launched by the first PSLV being realized by an industry consortium, 2 Earth observation satellite missions and whatnot. Lot of activities are there. Concurrently, you all know we are progressing extremely well for the preparation of the first uncrewed G1 mission as part of the Gaganyaan program, and some more experiments are targeted this year. ISRO is also gearing up for the host of developments including the next generation launcher NGLV, Chandrayaan 4, Chandrayaan 5 missions, Venus orbiter mission, along with the third launch pad at Sriharikota and the second launch complex at Kulasegarapatnam. I think we are accelerating the activities this year. Let me thank our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for his visionary leadership in rolling out the space sector reform. Also, the space vision what he has given for the next 20 years for ISRO and DOS team to contribute to make this country as a developed country.
National Desk Report, SN Digital Media.